How to pay for Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually pay for Spotify Premium on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you have an iPhone and then you have the Spotify app. You log into the Spotify app, you have a free account. Finally, you've decided that you want to get premium. But when you open the app and come to the premium tab from the bottom right, you can notice that we have all the plans, but we don't have option to pay for the premium. See, none of this is actually clickable, right? So what is the issue? Well, the issue is that iPhones does not support in-app payments and in-app browsing. So that is the reason why you're not being able to pay for premium from the Spotify app on iPhone. So if you want to pay for it, you instead have to open a Safari browser and go to spotify.com instead. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. When you go to spotify.com, you want to make sure to log into the free account on which you want to pay for the premium version. Once you've done that, make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then over here again you'll be able to see all the sorts of details such as premium. So you want to make sure to tap this premium tab. Once you tap the premium tab over here, you can see a reason as to why you might want to upgrade to premium. So you can see individual, duo, family, and whatever else you can see over here. So what you basically want to do is you want to make sure to just tap on get started depending upon what plan you want. And now you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter your payment details. So if you have PayPal account, you can make sure to log into your PayPal account. If you have credit or debit card, you can select credit or debit card instead. And now you can enter the card number, expiration date, security code. Tap the buy now option in order to successfully buy premium. After you buy the premium, make sure to log out of the Spotify app and log in back again once. And after you've done that, your Spotify premium will get successfully loaded. And to give you a basic context, that's it on today's video on how to pay for Spotify premium on iPhone. Of course, hope this video was very helpful, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.